Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to make a water lily, a paper water lily here. And this is actually one of the simpler paper flowers if you're just getting started. So here I've already pre-cut my templates using my Cricut cutting machine. And then, but you know, you could print this out and also just cut it by hand as well. I also have here a little scraping device to curl the petals. If you don't have a dedicated scraping device, you can just use any sort of straight edge like a credit card. And then in terms of glue, I like to use tacky glue because it's non-toxic and it's super affordable and just works great with paper flowers. So first, we're gonna take all the different pieces and just curl the petals. So we want this to be curled inwards, and it's really easy. You just sort of scrape the flowers. This particular template, there's 3 different layers and they're 3 different sizes. So we'll just assign them as we go. And then this last little piece, we want a little bit more curl. So I'm going to use the straighter, harder edge and sort of fold it in a little bit. All right. So I like to glue this one together, starting with the base, the biggest piece. And all you have to do is take a little bit of glue. So these come in pairs. These 2 are about the same size. You want to glue it such that the petals are offset. Add another dab of glue. Add another dab of glue. Another dab of glue. I'll offset the petals some more. I want to curl that a little bit more. And there you go, that's it. Super simple. There you have a water lily. This particular glue, it'll take a little bit longer to dry, so I would give it at least, half a day, if not a full day, for it to completely set.